Hi guys! For today's video, we're going to make a floater. Using this recycle bottle, gawa tayo ng floater natin. Tinanggal muna natin yung mga plastic. Kaya natin matanggal ito, ididikit na natin sila. Yan guys, na-connect na natin yung every two pieces of the bottles. Assemble na natin to according sa laki ng gusto natin. This is the setup that we are going to do.
Looks like Daddy's abs.
Okay, let's go. Yan, gagamit tayo ng 2, 4, 6, 7 na hole para lang ano tawag dito?
Magdikit.
Para magdikit.
Tsaka maging stable.
Stable yung ating floater. So this is very, very light lang. Guys, we made it na. And then we are going to connect it all together like this. So yan guys, gagamit din tayo ng hanger para mag-connect and mag-stable ba din ang ating cannibals, ang ating floaty. Yan guys, maliligo muna ako dahil sobrang init dito. Lulublog muna tayo. Yellow handle. So yan guys, kailangan natin gumamit ng PVC pipe to connect it at para maging stable ang ating what do you call this?
Brace.
Magiging brace siya. Magiging support natin dito sa ating floating. We're going to transfer in the water. No, there is the table. Let's go. Get my answer. Careful. I-wrap natin siya all over it. So yan guys, gawa na yung ating cannibals. Wait lang. Yan guys, presenting our DIY floater.
Turn it over. Turn it over.
For the camera. Here, show that that's the side you sit on.
Dito tayo upo, guys.
Okay, let's go.
Let's try this, guys.
We will try first before the kids. Ito what?
Yeah.
Jollibee! Get out!
Let me try.
Siyempre, ikaw yung try. Doon ka. Hey! Yay!
How about Shay?
Even if you fall, do not drop that glass.
So, ayan guys! Tapos na! Ayan na! Bye!